So, what if you had a brilliant co-pilot for your stock research? That's really the big promise of generative AI in the world of finance. Now, we're not talking about some magic crystal ball here. We're talking about incredibly powerful, data-driven help. But here's the real question, right? Can AI actually make a difference? Can it genuinely supercharge your research, help you find new investments, figure out their potential, and maybe even help you plan when to get out? Well, let's find out. Okay, let's start right at the beginning. Discovery. How do you even find a new stock to invest in? Honestly, it's often the hardest part, but this is one area where AI can immediately help you cut through all the noise. And the process is actually surprisingly simple. You just start with a sector you're interested in. Let's say agriculture. Then you literally just write a direct prompt to your AI tool. And just like that, you get a starting list of companies to dig into. For instance, you could type in a simple prompt asking for stocks in the agriculture sector, and boom, it might spit out 3 specific tickers: Nutrien, Deere & Company, and Corteva. This gives you an instant launchpad for your research. But of course, a list of company names is, well, it's just not enough, is it? The really crucial next step is to use that same AI to dig deeper and actually understand the reasoning behind these suggestions. And this is the exact follow-up question any smart investor should be asking. Why these companies? More specifically, why might they be a good investment if you're looking long-term, say out towards 2026? This is where we move from just finding names to real analysis. This is how you can structure those follow-up questions. For Nutrien, you can ask for a full company profile. What do they actually do? For Deere, you can ask for the specific investment case for that 2026 timeframe. And for Corteva, you can ask for a balanced view. What are its key strengths and what are the potential risks? It's kind of like having an army of research analysts ready to go at a moment's notice. All right, so let's flip to the other side of the investment coin, which is just as important as buying: knowing when to sell. A good entry is only half the battle, right? A well-planned exit is what actually locks in your profits. So how can AI help with this really critical decision? Well, it can't give you a perfect date and time, but you can definitely prompt it for analysis that helps you build a much smarter exit strategy. You just have to know its limits. So asking something direct like, when can I sell this stock, won't get you a magic answer. But what it can do is pull together some crucial data points for you. It can summarize all the different analyst price targets, and it can break down complex technical indicators into plain English. But here's where it gets really cool. It can analyze market sentiment. Just imagine asking it to scan social media for chatter about a company's new product. A sudden spike in negative comments could be an early warning sign that a formal analyst report might not catch for weeks. And this brings us to what is, without a doubt, the single most important thing to remember. Let's be really clear. AI is a tool. It's a fantastic tool for summarizing publicly available data. It is not a certified financial advisor, and it does not have a crystal ball. Everything it gives you is for research purposes, period. So let's pull all of this together. What's the big takeaway here? How should you, as the investor, think about your role when you're using this powerful new technology? Think of it this way. Use AI as your tireless research assistant to go out and find new ideas. Ask it to do the heavy lifting when it comes to deep analysis. Use it to explore different strategies and understand potential risks. But, and this is the big one, the final decision is always yours. You have to apply your own goals, your own risk tolerance, and your own critical judgment to everything it gives you. It's really a powerful partnership. And that leaves us with a pretty interesting final thought. Maybe your next financial advisor isn't a person or an algorithm, but a collaboration between both, with you sitting firmly in the driver's seat.